Hi everybody. Today we're going to talk about probability and in the sense of the application of the central limit theorem. So our formula that we use is x bar minus mu over sigma over the square root of n. As long as we have n greater than 30, we're alright with this. So here's our story. Let me scoot up a little bit. The Chemco company manufactures car tires that last distances which have a mean of 35,600 miles and a standard deviation of 4,275 miles. We select 40 tires at random. A. Find the probability that the mean is more than 35,000 miles. So we know from the story that mu is equal to 35,600. Sigma is 4275 and n is 40. So we have the probability that x bar, notice this x bar, is greater than 35,000, and that gives us the probability that z is greater than 35,000 minus 35,600 over 4275 all over the square root of 40. So that means we have the probability that z is greater than negative 600 in the roof over 675.9638 in the basement. And that simplifies down to the probability that z is greater than negative 0.89. So let's look at our picture. And if you notice, we have our shaded in part starts at negative 0.89 and goes to the right. So we're going to have to add two pieces of probability. So we're going to have the probability that z is between negative 0.89 and 0 plus the probability that z is greater than 0. That's your right hand half. And because that's still, the first term still has negatives in the horizontals, we can write it due to symmetry as the probability that z is between 0 and 0.89 plus the probability that z is greater than 0. So that gives us 0.3133 plus 0.5, which is equal to 0.8133. That's all there is to it.